Hi everyone, I'm Kelly, Queen Bee of Queen Bee Mixology, and I'm here with Cindy, my sidekick.
That's me.
Today we're making a cocktail called the Blind Ambition. Now this comes to us from a Seattle bartender, Adam Way. So we have never made this cocktail.
Nope.
We've never tried this cocktail.
We've never even tried this vodka.
We haven't. So this is something completely new for us.
Yes.
Right here, the first time. Here we go.
I'm going to walk you through this one because it's got, as you can see, a lot of ingredients.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. All right.
It's got to be good though, right? With all this?
I think so.
I don't know.
All right, we're about to find out. All right, so we're going to start with the vodka, and we need 1.5 ounces.
Vodka. Okay. 1.5 ounces. Here we come.
I like that I have my own bottle of vodka.
Nice bottle, isn't it? There we go.
This is when you go to my produce stand for lemon. We need, it says 1/2 ounce of lemon, but you squeeze what you want out of that, all right? I trust you. Ish.
Okay, you know me. I'm cutting the tip off. So we're gonna do 1/2 of a lemon. There, getting all those juices out. Oh yes. There we go. What's next?
All right, we're gonna use the mango puree.
Ooh.
Yeah, you need 1/2 ounce of that.
I've never used this in a cocktail before. This is going to be very interesting.
This is all new to us today, everything.
Here we go.
Nice. Now you're gonna do Campari, about 1/4 ounce.
Campari. Love Campari. Love the bitter taste of this
I know
stuff.
you do.
I know. It's about 1/2 ounce.
Next is the absinthe.
Ooh,
About
nice.
2 drops, I think it said.
How do I do 2 drops?
I believe in you.
Well, if you can't do a drop, do a dribble.
Speaking of dribbles, can we just get a dash of bitters?
And just 1 dash?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, and then we're gonna add some ice and shake that up.
Okay.
All right, and this is in a Collins glass.
A Collins glass.
So that is for you.
Nice. Thank
Over
you.
Ice.
Wow.
Whoa, pretty.
I know. Look at that. Wow. Okay.
All right, now you're gonna top it off with ginger beer and club soda.
How much of each?
2 ounces of ginger beer, 3 ounces of club soda, but
Okay.
give or take here or there.
Oh, I like that.
That's pretty. Okay.
That's nice.
That was the ginger beer.
Now some club soda.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at that. Wow. Pretty excited to try that. Gonna add a little garnish here.
That is beautiful.
The Blind Ambition is ambitious with all these flavors.
But I'm pretty excited to have a new local Pacific Northwest vodka.
Somehow, that works. That was really good. And Queen Bee approved.
Can't wait to try it.